Today we are going to learn how to create a talking avatar like me.
Imagine creating an avatar that talks so you can use in your videos, your marketing videos for your company. Stay tuned. This is what we're talking about today. We start with ChatGPT by typing chatgpt.com at the top here. When you get to ChatGPT, you will see that you have some options here. You may have started at 3.5, which is the free one. I subscribe to ChatGPT 4, and 4.0 is free. Now, I would like to create an image, right? What I do, ChatGPT 4.0 has a lot of options here on the left. You can click on Explore GPTs, and you will see different options here. And you can even search if you know what GPTs you're looking for. And there are different options here. You can go to writing, productivity, research and analysis, education, lifestyle, or programming. All those are available. In my case, I wanted to look at image generator. And of course, it's right here on the left. But if it wasn't, when I start typing, you see automatically, I didn't even type anything. Here it is, image generator. So I'm going to click on that. And here, you could just, there are some options here, but you could simply click on Start Chat, and you decide on you type how you would like your image to look like. But you need to really enter everything that you're thinking about: color of skin, hair color, how long the hair is, what kind of clothes this person is wearing, are there curtains behind them, what the desk is, if this person sitting at a desk, what is on that desk. All that you have to think about, okay? And you enter it right here. And I enter, give me an image of a light skin, black, 50-year-old woman with shoulder-length black hair, wearing a beige suit with a red blouse underneath the suit. She's sitting at a dark wooden desk, and on top of the desk, to her left, there is a laptop. She is facing the camera. Behind her, you can see a large window with dark blue curtains around it. And let's see what it is that ChatGPT will give me. You wait a little, and the image is displayed. And here it is. It says, here's the image you requested. If you need adjustments or further details, feel free to let me know. I would like this person to actually have be wearing glasses. So I'm going to type what I want. And here is the new image. After you create your avatar, you're going to type d-id.com on your browser here for you to get to this area. And you can even start a free trial. I am subscriber because my goal was to teach how to do this to my subscribers. It's not very expensive, really. You need to look at their pricing, but it's not that expensive that's gonna break your bank. If you see, I am on the light one. It's $4.70 per month US. It's not that much. Anyhow, I log in, and it actually, all you have to do is click on create, and I want to create a video. not an agent. And I click on create a video. I can use those avatars that are here already, and some of them you have to be in the paid mode to be able to use them. And if you have already watched one of my videos, my first video, I use this lady here and this one in my videos already. When I click on upload, I select my person that I had just created, and there it is. That's my untitled video. And then I decide on what kind of emotions I want this person to have. So it could be natural, happy, serious, surprised. Actually, right now, the only one I can use is natural. And you select a voice. You can listen to this voice. I could use Amber. Or I could look at Abby. When you choose Abby, you can actually listen to Abby's voice here as well. Okay, and you can also clone your own voice. This is something new that they have now. Okay, and or you can import voices as well. I would have to upgrade for that, but you could import voices. And you can get the script right here. You can enter your script, and I enter my script right here. Today we are going to learn how to create a talking avatar like me. And you can play it for you to hear what it looks like, and you can also decide on the speed of speech. In a previous video I was saying that sometimes if you're trying to explain something by using one of those guys, it would be nice to decrease it a little bit, less than half. Okay, I'm going to leave it as it is, and then we can generate the video. And it will actually take 1 credit. And I could put here a title, right? I'm going to put May Talking Avatar. And I just click on Let's Go. It tells you now that they have successfully generated your video. And all you gotta do is play the generated video, and you will see this generated video. You already saw it in the beginning of this video, this YouTube video. Now, you can do exactly the same thing by going through Canva. The advantage of going through Canva is that if this is part of a bigger video, it may be easier to just start there and continue. Canva can also create videos for you. Once you go to canva.com, you are going to go to create a design. When you click on create a design, you can select video because this is what you want to do. Once it opens, you can see on the left hand side that you have apps right here. When you select apps, you are going to search for D-ID. And you find it, D-ID presenters. In our case, what I want is this guy here, D-ID presenters. You will get an option for you to upload your own. Okay? So you click on upload, find it, and this is the one that I just uploaded. Okay? And you decide what it is that this person is going to say, right? You enter what it is they're going to say right here. You select the language, the voice. As I said before, there can be different voices. You select whatever voice you want, and you can actually preview the voice right here. Preview the speech right here at the bottom. You can give it a name, and then all you need to do is click create, generate presenter.
Learn how to create a talking avatar like me.
Once the presenter is generated, you can then adjust it to the size that you want right here in Canva, and this is going to be your first scene, right? Your first scene of your whole video. And there it is. You have it with D-ID. It's very easy to do through Canva as well. And there you go. How did you like it? It is not very difficult once you know where to go and how you're going to do it. But don't forget, it's still free. If you like this video, please leave a like. If you have any comments about what it is you would like me to talk about next, everything that I talk about has to do with AI. Please leave a comment, let me know. And I would really appreciate if you could subscribe to this channel. I have videos every week. I will leave a link to Canva and to ChatGPT in the description. And we'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye!